Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I always liked vegetables. I love the taste, the wide variety of flavor, plus they're good for us. I also enjoy when I mix a few together. It's a beautiful rainbow of colors. When I was working for an American recipe website, I created an incredible healthy recipe using my spiralizer. Here's a great way to enjoy pasta without the guilt. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Baked Autumn Veggighetti. This dish is amazing. It's packed with yumminess. Using sweet potato, zucchini, and carrot, this can be served as a side dish or simply as a main course. It's a delicious way to enjoy vegetables. So my friends, let's get cooking. These are the vegetables we'll be using. A large carrot, a white sweet potato, but you can always use an orange one, and a large zucchini. So David will show you how easy it is to use the spiralizer. After the vegetable is secured, you simply turn the handle and crank it. That's all. It's super fast, and here's your faux noodles. See how nice it is? It looks exactly like spaghetti, but a healthier version of it. Same with the carrots and zucchini. It's quick with beautiful results. When the vegetables are spiralized, we'll transfer them to a large bowl. To this, we'll add olive oil, butter that has been cut into small pieces, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and some lemon zest. We'll now season with smoked paprika, ground sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll gently toss the ingredients together until combined and well coated with oil. If you think there's not enough olive oil, just add a little bit more. From here, we'll transfer the mixture to a 3-quart baking dish, lightly greased, and spread it out evenly. We'll go ahead and place our dish into a 400-degree preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes. Now, every 10 minutes, we'll take it out and quickly toss the vegetable mixture. We'll then return it to the oven for another 10 minutes before tossing again. Half an hour later, when the cooking time is up, we'll remove from the heat, toss the veggighetti one more time, then sprinkle with fresh chopped parsley and serve immediately. And my friends, this is our Baked Autumn Veggighetti. Colorful, delicious, and healthy, this is certainly a recipe you want to have on hand. With a beautiful mixture of wholesome ingredients, this dish can be served as a side or as a main course. After trying them, these faux noodles will be a fun food to make for your family. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!